Welcome students. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about hollow hemisphere. Listen, hollow hemisphere. See this diagram? It is the shape of the hollow hemisphere. A hollow hemisphere has two diameters for its circular bases. One is for inside circular base, that is this hollow part, and one is for outside circular base, that is this rigid part. So we take the inner radius as r and outer radius capital R. Then the area between these two surfaces is called the thickness. The thickness is calculated by capital R minus small r. CSA of a hemisphere. CSA of a hemisphere equal to area of external hemisphere plus area of internal hemisphere. What's the area of hemisphere? In the previous session, we learned area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. External means we substitute capital R, internal means we substitute small r. Take 2 pi common. CSA of a hemisphere equal to 2 pi inside the bracket capital R square plus r square square units. Total surface area of a hemisphere. Total surface area equal to CSA plus area of annulus region. What is annulus? In 8th standard, we studied area of circular ring, that is area of annulus region. What is the area of circular ring? Pi into capital R square minus small r square. So substitute CSA and area of annulus region. See here pi only common. Take pi as outside and multiply this 2 with this r square, 2r square, and 2 small r square, 2r square. In the second term, you write the terms in bracket as it is. Then adding the like terms, we get 2r square plus r square, 3r square, 2r square minus r square plus r square. Total surface area of a hollow hemisphere equal to pi inside the bracket 3r square plus r square square units. See these examples. Bowl and coconut shells are examples of hollow hemisphere. See here. Example 7.11. The internal and external radii of a hollow hemispherical shell. See this hollow hemispherical shell. The internal radius 3 meter and external radius 5 meter. Let us take capital R 5 and small r 3. Find TSA and CSA of the shell. Hollow cylinder equal to, CSA equal to 2 pi capital R square plus small r square. Substitute the values and simplify. Here the numbers in numerator is not cancelled by 7. So multiply the numerators and then divided by 7. 213.71 meter square. Total surface area equal to pi into 3r square plus r square. Substitute the values. First we take the square of 5, then you multiply by 3. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 3, 75. 75 plus 9, 84. Here the 7 and 84 get cancelled. So 22 into 12, 264 meter square. Ninth sum. It's very important 5 mark sum. The internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel. See this hollow hemispherical vessel. The internal and external diameter is given. So we carefully see whether the given measurement is in diameter or radius. If diameter is given, we need to convert into radius. We know radius equal to half of the diameter. So internal diameter 20 centimeter, small r 10 centimeter. External diameter 28, so capital R equal to 14 centimeter. What's the question? Find the cost to paint the vessel all over at 14 paise per centimeter square. We need to paint the whole vessel. So we have to find total surface area of a hemisphere. We know pi into 3 capital R square plus r square. Substitute the values. First take this square of 14 and then multiply it by 3. 22 into 688 by 7. Multiply 22 into 688. 15,136 by 7. After dividing the terms, we get 2162.29 centimeters square is the area of this bowl. We have to find the cost. Cost to paint the vessel per centimeter square equal to 14 paise. So total cost to paint the vessel equal to 2162.29 into 0.14. After multiplication, we have to put 4 decimal places. But we have to find the cost. Cost is in 2 decimal places. So correct the decimal places, we get 302 rupees 72 paise. Both the sums are very important. Practice very well. Thank you.